Hey guys, so welcome. This is question number 46 of the WAEC question under Venn diagram. So let's see how it goes. Now it says the Venn diagram illustrates the information about the sets. Now this is the Venn diagram. Please don't mind my diagrams. So this is my oval. This is the first event here for friends. So we have the next oval shape here, C, which is for smart people, and P is for pharmacists. So this represents number of persons who have the pharmacist in this environment, and C is for smart people, and F is for the friends. So they said the following here. They said which of the following is a valid conclusion? Which of the following is a valid conclusion from the diagram? So we have some points given here. So we want to see which of them correspond correctly to the diagram. Exactly. Now please do not forget that F represents friends, P represents pharmacists, and C represents number of smart people. So now let's go. Now, which of these statements here represents or is a valid conclusion? All pharmacists are my friends. Now let's go back. Now they say all the pharmacists. They say, are all pharmacists contained in the friends? Now let's assume we have the first one, and let's be pharmacist, and this becomes friends. Now they said all pharmacists are my friends. Are all pharmacists contained in the friendship zone? Let's see. No. In this case, it's not true, because some pharmacists, only some portion of the pharmacists, which are this portion here, are contained in the friends. Exactly. So therefore, not all pharmacists, but some pharmacists here are friends. So therefore, this very deduction here that all pharmacists are my friends is not true, because all pharmacists are not contained in the friends. No, only some. Exactly. Now let's see the next one. Here it says some of my friends are smart. Some of my friends are smart. Now they say some of my friends here are smart. Of course, look at smart people. Now we have P for smart people. I also have F for people who are friends. Of which, do we have any settings like this in this Venn diagram, that some of the friends are smart? Of course we have it, that some of the friends. Now look at friendship here, and this is smart people. Indeed, there are some people here, and some of the friends here are smart. So some portion of the friends here are contained in the smart people. So of course we have this, it exists. Exactly. So let's see the next one. It says all smart people are my friends. C says all smart people are my friends. Now let's go back. Let's see. Are all smart people contained in friendship? Like, are all the smart people all? Remember, P represents number of smart people. Are all of them contained here? No. It's just some proportion or some portion of smart persons are contained in the friends. So therefore, this one here is not a valid conclusion. The last one says none of my friends is smart. None of my friends is smart. Let me see. This is smart people. Of course, there are some percentage of friends who are smart. Exactly. Now they say none of my friends is smart. No, it's a lie. Some portion of my friends, some portion of these friends are smart. So therefore, this one is invalid. So the answer to this question is B, which is some of my friends are smart. So there are some people, some of the friends here, okay, who are smart. So the answer to this question is option B. Exactly. All right, thank you. Let's go to the next question.